So this is a loading technique to the lower back on either the left or right side. So we're covering roughly where the ribs end and right about where the belt line begins. So roughly on this left side and the right side. What you're going to need is a ball, and you're going to place that ball against the wall. Now you won't be able to actually see the ball when I'm working on it, but from this angle you can see my body position, which is more important. So I'm going to take the ball, put it on my left side, so I'm not on the spine, I'm not on the ribs, and I'm not on the pelvis. And I'm just trying to find an area that's sensitive. Once I find an area, there's two ways that you can treat it. The first way is to seek and destroy. So right now I'm seeking an area that's sensitive. Once I find an area that's sensitive, I'm going to hold that there. I'm going to take a breath in, exhale. When I exhale, I'm going to allow my body to press a little bit more into that ball until it desensitizes. Once it melts and starts to desensitize, then I can find another area. The second technique you can use is more of the pin and stretch. So I'm pinning it down by applying pressure and my body weight against it. From there, I'm going to give myself a little hug, and then I'm going to stretch it by side bending away. So I'm slowly side bending away until I feel an additional load or more sensitivity, and then I'm just going to hold that there to allow it to melt. Once it starts to desensitize, try to go a little bit further this next time into a side bend position. What you can also do, instead of just a strictly side bend, you can side bend a little bit and then a slight rotation. So I'm slightly rotating away. So I'm going to bring this same side shoulder towards that side while the pressure is still applied to the ball. So I'm slightly rotating. So again, there's just side bend that you can do, or you can do a side bend with a twist. So I'm side bending and then I'm twisting while I'm applying pressure to the ball.